Introducing the empowered PC Sentinel Gaming Desktop, engineered for elite gamers, streamers, and creators who demand maximum performance. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. From the inside out, this desktop is loaded with cutting-edge tech built to deliver ultra-smooth, high FPS gameplay and lightning-fast workflows. At the heart of the Sentinel is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, featuring 24 cores and 24 threads with speeds reaching up to 5.7 GHz. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings or editing high-resolution video, this chip is designed to keep up with every task without breaking a sweat. Complementing the CPU is the powerhouse NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of GDDR5 dedicated memory, delivering stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and next-gen AI-enhanced graphics to push the limits of immersive gameplay. Multitasking is seamless with a massive 96 GB of DDR5 RAM, allowing you to run games, stream, and browse with zero lag. For storage, the Sentinel features dual 2 TB Gen4 NVMe SSDs, offering ultra-fast boot times, near-instant load speeds, and enough space for your entire game library, creative projects, and more. Connectivity and future readiness are handled by Wi-Fi 7 and Windows 11 Pro, ensuring you stay at the cutting edge of wireless performance and productivity. The 360mm liquid cooling system keeps the system thermally efficient and whisper quiet, even during marathon gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. It's all wrapped in a premium brushed aluminum case with a smoked glass panel that looks as powerful as it performs. And to top it all off, Empowered PC assembles and stress tests every Sentinel in the USA, backed by lifetime tech support and a 3-year hardware warranty. This isn't just a gaming desktop, it's a performance beast built to lead for years to come. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.